Alright guys, so today we're installing carbon ceramic brakes that nobody can afford on a car none of us can afford as well. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so these are massive. They're made by Racingline. I don't think they're even officially released yet. I know this is probably like the first set in the States, and today we're installing them on a white TT RS over there. Look how insanely huge they are. Look at my head. It's like my whole torso. Granted, I'm not a very big person, so that doesn't say much. So gnarly looking. So this car is stage 2, right?
I believe so.
Okay, it's stage 2 TT RS. Factory brakes, not really sure how much they weigh. We'll weigh them in a second. These supposedly, the rotors themselves supposedly weigh like, I think we weighed them in 11.3 pounds the other day. So supposedly it's a big weight savings difference, but we'll verify that in a little bit, show y'all. Alright, so Eric's got the factory rotor off. Holy shit. I'll weigh this real quick. So that, dang. Factory rotor weighs 30 pounds just about. That weighs 12. Less than half the weight. Yeah. It's pretty nuts. Alright, so the factory caliper weighs 16 pounds. It's with the brake line on it, so it's give or take. A little bit, not very much though. Now the Racingline caliper with the bracket is just as much as the rotor. Alright, so we got the bracket now, and then we're going to throw the caliper on. Make sure it clears the dust shield. There you go, yeah, Mark 2. Yeah, so that's 2013, 2014. When they had the recall on the brakes, I think I'm going to start a new series. I think we're going to call it Instructionless.
Yeah, Instructionless, yeah. Sounds good.
I mean, half the stuff we do out here, I mean, we just kind of wing it.
Yeah.
We know we're doing enough to not need the instructions, and when we do, they just don't send them.
Yeah.
Just look how nice that looks. Stories about him developing some sort of car or something. So now he's putting the last brake line on, and then we'll get the wheels mounted up, and then we'll throw up a comparison on the screen. So all in all, the factory rotor and caliper setup weighs about 45 pounds each corner. These weigh 24 pounds each corner. Now all we have left to do is bleed the brakes, and then we have other stuff to install. That's a different video. Those fit. All that clearance. Focus. okay. You just have to trust us. There you go, guys. Hope you liked this video of us installing brakes that none of us can afford. We'll see y'all next time.
Good stuff.
Oh shit, I need to do it again.
Yeah. I'll go over here for a while.
No, it's better if I'm not by myself, because then I get uncomfortable and don't know.